If you want to beautify or decorate your home, or if you are newly constructing home or renovating your home or office space, then you need to sit. Many of my clients ask whether to go for wallpaper or not, especially when superstructure work gets over during the construction. Once the superstructure work gets finished, it's a time to start interiors. So in that stage, especially the question is whether to go for wallpaper or not, that too under tight budget. So now, under tight budget, wallpaper seems to be a very good choice to beautify home. You might have seen many restaurants or hotels or coffee shops where they use these wallpapers. And these wallpapers are of many types, which gives vintage look, comedy look, and especially during the tour, you would have noticed hotel rooms where you are staying look so luxurious, in which wallpapers have been used. If you know information about wallpaper, then it will be very helpful for you to choose or to design your home by yourself. Now, question arises in your mind will be like, what exactly? First one is what exactly is wallpaper? Is it alternative to paint? Second one is whether it's durable or not. Third one is how to choose it. Fourth one, how to install it. Fifth one, what are the advantages and disadvantages of it? And sixth one is how it can be solved in case of any problem, disadvantages. If you watch the video till end, you will get solution for all these things. Then you can design your home with wallpaper. So now, what exactly is wallpaper? In simple words, they can be called as a material which are used to cover or decorate the wall. They are manufactured using base material, and this base material can be paper, vinyl, or a non woven fabric, followed by printing and giving it a finishing coat. That is the final stage. Now, the question that arises in our mind is whether it's alternative to paint. Both are better. The choice mainly depends upon your priorities for style, cost, and durability. And coming to the comparison, durability, if we go, if it's installed properly, it will last us for 5 to 10 years. And paint usually it requires maintenance for every 3 years. If we want a luxurious look on any wall, then wallpaper appears to be more budget friendly compared to paint. Next is different types of wallpaper. One is oven wallpaper, second one is non-oven, and third one is oven with vinyl material. It's made up of natural fibers like paper, jute, grass that are interwoven to create a fabric like porous and matte finish. As you are seeing in the picture, it's a paper wallpaper. And non-woven wallpaper is usually made of synthetic fibers. They are bonded together, which results in more durability. And it is very easy to install material that does not expand or contract. Non-woven with vinyl is suitable for moisture-prone areas. If you watch the video till end, you will get solution for all this. Now I am giving you a very good information about how to design your home with wallpaper. Definitely it enhances the beauty of your home. Now how to choose it? Two important factors that are to be considered are as follows. One is weather condition and traffic, and second one is whether it's a temporary or a permanent design. So now let's take the topic weather condition and traffic. What exactly? So if it's a moisture prone and high traffic areas like a kitchen and bathroom, you can use vinyl wallpaper which are water resistant and very easy to clean. In the other hand, if it's not moisture prone area and less traffic areas, you can use paper wallpaper in that particular space. And second important factor is whether it's a temporary design or a permanent design. For temporary design, cost wise, paper wallpaper will be cheaper and we will get it in a very budget friendly rate. Example, hotel rooms and rented shops, and also even the restaurants, wherein they keep changing the interior. They will go according to the updated trends in the interiors. So for such purposes, we can go for paper wallpaper, which are very budget friendly. And second one is, that is the permanent one. So for the permanent design, it's better to go for vinyl wallpaper, even though it is expensive, but it's durable for a very long time. In general, we can say that vinyl wallpaper is ideal for high traffic, moisture prone areas like kitchens, bathrooms, due to its durability and washability. And for a high quality finish and healthier environment, non oven wallpaper is a good choice because it's breathable. Usually, for outside area which is exposed to sunlight, it's not preferable. Next step is how to install it. Clean the wall surface and fill all the holes on the surface. Apply the putty, and after applying the putty all over the wall, use a oil primer to cover wall surface. Use wallpaper adhesive to paste wallpaper on the clean wall surface. If we use wallpaper adhesive, then there will be no damage to the wall at the time of removal of wallpaper. Only precaution taken here is to clear the air entrapped between wallpaper and wall surface. Now I am giving you very important game changing design tips to beautify your home, using which you can use wallpaper effectively in the space you require to beautify. First one point is, use wallpaper to elevate the purpose of the room. For example, if you have 10 by 10 room and cover all walls with the printed design wallpaper, it doesn't look good. You can see the picture over here. And second one is, we have to consider the wallpaper in such a way that it must enhance the beauty of the furnitures which you are using. For example, if it's a living room, try to highlight one wall with a luxurious wallpaper. This gives the royal look as well as makes living area very spacious. In this room, in this picture, you can see how green color is getting highlighted. In this case, you can see white textured wallpaper is very pleasing and it's blending with the calm ambience, making living room livelier and also more spacious. Next picture shows a beautiful 3D wallpaper of nature, which gives a complete feel of nature, and you can observe that it's uplifting the beauty of the furnitures as well. Usually this wallpaper rolls comes in 16 by 90 inches. Calculate the number of rolls required for your area and take one or two extra. What are the positive points about the wallpaper? Wallpaper consumes very less time for the installation compared to paint, and you will get a luxurious at a very friendly. What are the negative points about wallpaper? If it's pasted on moisture prone, wallpaper comes out of the wall. For more useful tips on beautifying your home, subscribe to our channel Viva Interiors Tips. Do like and share. Thank you.